This was Bin Boy's very first truck. Since 2018, it's taken every lift, every run, every bin we've thrown at it. It's seen new drivers come through, old drivers move on, and the entire business grow around it. After years of service, its heart had finally stopped. For most trucks, this is where their story stops. Parked, stripped, written off. And for a moment, that's exactly what it looked like would happen here. Until Martin, our fleet service and maintenance manager, had a vision. The truck's heart may have failed. Maybe, if Martin's plan worked, they could bring it back. They could save it. This is the heart transplant.
What we've got here is a truck which has got an engine malfunction. The solution, after discussing it with the mechanic, was take the motor and gearbox out of here, and we're going to give the truck an engine transplant because we have another damaged truck sitting over there with same engine and gearbox. I always call this the donor truck. What we have here is, as I described it, same engine, same gearbox. That will be coming out, and the new heart and soul, that's the engine and gearbox, will be going into that truck over there. A lot of the mechanical parts on this truck are in very, very good condition. I think from memory, it's done less than 10,000 kilometres.
Before an engine can leave the truck, it has to be secured perfectly. Chains are positioned, straps tightened, and lifting points checked and rechecked. Balance matters. Get it wrong, and things start moving in ways you don't want. Safety is paramount, and Martin and the crew stay focused in securing the engine for stage 1 of the lift.
I am very gently, here we go. Yes. Okay. A little bit again, just very slowly.
As the crane takes the load, every eye is on the chains, the mounts, and the clearances. The engine slowly lifts free, one careful inch at a time. This is the moment where experience counts, and where the heart transplant truly begins.
Good.
Talk to me, we're going down.
The crew are in constant communication with each other. Every move they make, slow and steady.
Up. All right, down. Slowly. Nice and slowly. Right, perfect. I'll put in this, yeah.
Here we go, down scope. Not going anywhere. Yes, that's the heart and soul.
How do you feel about that?
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, very, very slowly, very nice.
Successful! Successful operation!
With the failed engine out, the crew take a moment to breathe. But celebrations are short, as the transplant is only halfway there.
We had to undo a lot of stuff before taking out the heart and soul. If we have a look here, we will see lines, electrical connections, PTO shaft, hoses, all that was disconnected. We'll do the same on the other one, so then the transition can occur. That can come from the damaged truck into the heart transplant into here.
The first lift went well, but there's no room to get complacent. Before the donor engine moves, the crew secures and double checks every chain and lifting point. And with that, it's time to kick off the second lift.
Good. Yep, what? It's alright? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, alright. Okay, up.
All right, up.
Yeah, up.
As the engine starts to rise, something doesn't feel right.
Wait.
The crew catches it immediately. One last connection still holding on. Calm, controlled, and safe, the crew immediately addresses the issue. The lift continues.
Perfect.
Thank you, gentlemen. Wow. Slow is good. Thank you, King.
With the donor engine finally in place, there's a sense of relief across the crew. Bin Boy's first ever truck now carrying a new heart.
We're going to start to connect all of the ancillary bits of gear, being fuel lines, air lines, etc. That's a complete day's work doing that. That's a real achievement.
But there still lies one test ahead. We return a day later, once everything's properly connected, just to see, will it start?
Start. Thank you, gentlemen.
It's back. A truck that's been part of Bin Boy since the very beginning, given a new heart and a second life. This wasn't about rushing or shortcuts. It was about experience, teamwork, and doing the job properly. Huge credit to Martin and the crew for getting it done right. The road's calling again, and this truck's ready to answer it.